In this video, we will have a quick look at the Digital Studio Arts and Craft, also known as Digital Arts and Craft Studio. It's a computer peripheral from Fisher-Price. I got this for $4.50 AUD. It's a graphical tablet. So it has a stylus as well. The stylus has no buttons or whatever, just the tip is a button. So to draw you have to press, which is very not convenient. I wish it was like normal, but you have to press and drag. Here we have the color pad, the color selection. You have these preset colors, or you can choose more colors by pressing the center buttons. Here we have the normal function: choose a background, write letters. No, I don't remember what this is. Delete the whole picture, undo one step only, bucket fill, and stamp. This to get the menu up and down. Menu will appear on the screen like a toolbar. And there's the for selection: pencil, brush, spray paint, and erase. It's very basic. There's an on-off switch in the back and a slot here for CD. And that's everything. Does not need power. It will get its power from the USB port. So that's the USB cable, type A. The stylus is hardwired. You cannot take it off. Same thing with the USB. That's the USB, it's type A. And this is a pocket for a CD. I think the one that came with it. Here we have some writing. I don't know if you can see it. 2007, Fisher-Price, Mattel, China. And more info here. Tested 5V DC, 100 milliamps. So today we will test it and then take it apart and see what's inside. So I tried to install it on my Windows 11 machine, but it didn't work. The software is not compatible, so I'm using XP here. After installing the software, you don't get any desktop icon for the program. You just get the folder. So how to play it? To turn on the software, you just press the power button, and the software will start. And it's full screen. You cannot access any other Windows application.
Welcome to the Digital Arts and Crafts Studio. Choose a project.
And even the volume, but you cannot control the volume.
Let's create a drawing.
So
let's create a drawing.
These are,
let's create a book.
You can hover and it will show you.
Create a party. Let's create a drawing.
But to choose you have to press.
Let's create a drawing.
We'll choose the first one.
Let's create a drawing.
Okay, so I will show you a screen capture later, but when I use screen capture, the software will start lagging and glitching. So here is the direct recording. That's how you draw. I will try to draw a circle. I will do my best. Not the best circle because it's not 100% accurate. Let's draw a square. So it's not bad. And whenever you touch, it will go. So this is the screen. So as you can see, if you touch here, the pointer will appear there. Touch here, appear there. Let's undo.
Do over.
So unfortunately, you can just do one undo step.
Do over.
And that's all. But you can, of course, you can erase. You press the erase button.
Let's erase.
And you just erase what you want. To get the menu,
Let's erase.
let's make the eraser bigger. Yeah, the sound effects are horrible. Yeah, and I don't think you can get rid of them. Let's hide the menu, change the colors, red.
The rainbow button for more colors.
Let's choose the brush.
Let's paint.
That's the brush. I thought I chose red. That's red, black, brown, and white, which also can work as an eraser. Just choose the spray.
Let's spray paint.
It's very laggy. Yeah, sometimes it glitches and it keeps spraying or painting, so you have to press again to make it stop. Okay,
Spray paint.
Change the spray. Change the space shape. Now it's glitched again. Let's make it bigger. See what we have here. Yeah, even you can spray shapes. Fishes. Butterflies. Can hide the menu here.
Spray paint.
What else we have? A pencil. We already tried that.
Let's paint.
Let's see what other type of brushes we have. Feet. Tiny feet.
Do over.
Do over. That's all. Not many options. Yeah, sound effects are very annoying. What else do we have? We didn't try. Let's see.
Straw.
The pencil. What other shapes we have here? Yeah, just the basic stuff. You can choose also rectangle. You can use it to erase, for example. It doesn't work. Great. To erase the whole picture, you press this one.
Erase the whole. Let's type.
Typing is very annoying. You cannot use the keyboard. You have to use the stylus. Change the color. And you don't have other symbols, you just have the basic letters. You can change the style. And when you press OK, now you have the what you're written as a stamp.
Let's fill with paint.
The bucket. And
Add a stamper.
add a stamper. This is the stamp. Also, you can change the
Add
stamp.
a stamper.
You can have a few presets here. Let's clean the
Erase the whole picture.
erase. You have 4 options. We saw the explosion first, and we have the wipe. The wash. We have circle. And we have this dog running.
Add.
So these are the stamps. You have sun, cat, a dog, police woman, police car, firefighter, etc., etc. And you can change the size. And here we have background, I think. No, it's not background, it's the choice. The first one was town. We have events, stamps for events. Too many stamps, so I'm not gonna check them all. Let's see, safari, animals. Fine arts, party, and my pictures. And here if you click, you can go to your pictures and you can access them from here. And let's see my gallery. Okay, my gallery is what we draw previously. And my pictures, I think you save your pictures in the folder that is on the desktop, and so you can access them here. So let's go home.
Do you want to save your picture? Yes. No. 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 Projects. Let's create crafts. Coloring pages.
Here,
Coloring page.
coloring pages. You choose a page to color.
Let's decorate.
With a bucket, just a bucket.
The rainbow button for more colors.
Green. We'll press the rainbow button to show you
Choose a color.
the other colors that you can choose. So here you have one green, but now we have multiple shades of green. Choose another
Choose a
shade.
color.
You get the idea. Glitched. Now it's making this sound again. You can print.
Utilities.
You can.
Picture gallery.
You can.
Print your picture.
Oh yeah.
Picture gallery.
I think. Okay. So you can control the sound, which is very annoying. You can print. You can save. I'm not sure what this is. Number of points allowed, limit points to, okay. Print controls, password protection, you add password so kids will not access it by themselves. How to get updates, where, etc. This is the version. And share. The picture gallery where your pictures are saved. No. Crafts. Let's see crafts. I'm not sure what craft is. I think it designs something. This yeah, okay, this of course this is very short, it's very annoying. Here you design something and you can print it and cut it with a scissor. Okay, you paint, then you print it and cut it and use it. No. This is for party. More paper projects. You can create a calendar if you want, or invitation card. create your own calendar and print it.
Do you want to save your picture? No. Let's create a drawing. Create a book. Create a book.
You can create a book, comic book.
The comic book page.
Let's draw something. We have a pen. Okay, that's too big.
Let's draw. Do over.
Yeah, it's frustrating and very annoying. So it's not the best tablet. You can put your stylus here when you're done, or you can store it in the back if you want to, if you're done with it forever.
Let's draw.
To turn it off, you press the power button again.
Want to save your picture? No. Come back soon.
Okay, doing a screen capture here.
Welcome, Digital Arts and Crafts Studio. Choose a. Let's create a
You can see
drawing.
it's glitching because the computer is slow, I think. So let's
Create a
try
drawing.
this
Dot to
one that we didn't
dots.
try earlier, which is dot to dot.
Dot to dots.
Here also you choose a drawing and you just follow the dots. For example,
Dot
this
to
one.
dot. Connect the dots to complete the picture.
It's glitching already. I'm not touching the tablet even, just hovering, and it's making a mess.
Do over.
It's glitching.
Do over.
Okay, so what is number one? This is number one. We connect 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, you get the idea. So that's dot to dot. Press
Do you
home.
want to save your picture?
No.
Project Studio.
And that's pretty
Paper
much
projects.
everything.
Create a book.
Nothing
Create a
left.
book.
That's a book. We tried that.
Let's create a party. Create a party.
Party.
Craft
You can design
sign. Sign.
invitation sign. Invitation card
The party sign.
or party sign.
Project has steps. Press the green arrow to begin. Let's decorate the party sign.
Yeah, nothing special. So that's it. Let's take it apart and see what's inside.
Do you want to save your picture?
No. It always asks me
No.
that.
Back soon.
Let's see what kind of a blob we have. No, it's not a blob. So you can see the grid. That's why it's not very accurate, it's not precise, because the grid is too big, does not have enough resolution. And that's the processing board. Here nothing except the buttons and the lights, the touchpad, and everything is going on here. Let's have a closer look. So that's the main IC. And that was the digital arts and craft studio from Fisher Price, a physical Photoshop for kids. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Just finished editing the video and I realized that I didn't show you all the buttons. So this one, it's give us a background, and this one is the stamp. So yeah, we know that we've seen this, and this is the bucket. And this one, it will mix up the picture. Every time you press it, it will mess up the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.